What's up everybody, Matt here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of going out and showing you a new brewery, I'm going to stay at home and share with you the beers I got from Tavour. For those of you who don't know or aren't familiar with Tavour, it is an app that you can download on your phone, iPad, on your computer. You can sign up and then you can start buying beer from around the country. So how you do it is you sign up for an account and Tavour will list different beers daily, and you can decide whether to buy those beers or not. The beers rate from, I've seen as low as like $6.99 for one, up to like, 40, 50, $80 for a pack or something like that. But the price differs all the time. So depending on what your mood is or what your taste is, you can always find some different beers, like I said, from around the country. Now, I live in Minnesota, and I haven't seen too many breweries featured on Tavour from Minnesota, so that's why I like it. I can get a nice mixture of beers from around the country. So what you do is when you select a beer, they put it in your crate, and they give you a ship date to your crate. So let's say you put it in the 1st of October. They'll give you like 3 options of dates to pick your shipment, and you can fill your crate with as many beers as you want until that shipping day, and then they'll ship your beer out. I know mine usually take about 7 to 10 to 14 days before they get to me from when my box, or they close my crate at Tavour and actually ship it out. I usually don't mind. I'm not in a hurry to get my beer. I'm usually fully stocked anyway. So I've heard a lot of horror stories from the shipping at Tavour as one of their bad things, but I've had no problems. I know a buddy of mine hasn't had any problems, other than sometimes it takes a little bit longer to get there. So if you're not in a hurry to eat your beer, and you like trying beers from different parts of the country, some you probably can't get in your local market, Tavour's the place to go. So I just got one today, and I just opened it. I've taken a few notes to share with you, and I'm going to show you what's in my Tavour crate for today. It is December 29th, 2020. So let's get started. The first beer I got is called This Is Your Brain on Hops. It's a double IPA. It is from Kings County Brewers Collective, and that's in New York. And it comes in at 8.5%. And it's with Mosaic and Simcoe hops. So I think I picked this one because I like the can art. I thought that was pretty cool. So that's beer number 1. And I also got, in this shipment, I got 16 different beers. But I got a total of 20 because I got a couple doubles. So my buddy John will be getting a few of these. The next one I picked out here in no particular order is Monkless. It's from Monkless out of Bend, Oregon, and it's called Hazy Day in Brussels. It's a double dry hop Belgian triple. And then Belgians are probably close to my top favorite styles of beer, behind like IPAs and sours. I do like good Belgian. You can't find them a lot, so I'm excited to try that one. Next one is a T-Wise from Crane Brewing, just a little 12-ounce can. And Crane is out of Missouri, and this is a Berliner Weiss. It's a little light at 4.1, but it's a sour ale brewed with tea. I know one of my friends, Brian Durker, had this one. If you're watching, Brian, thanks for recommending this one. Otherwise, I'm excited to try it. I like the can. I like the purple. It's always pretty nice. Let's see. Next one we got here is Imagination. It's called Lineal Space, all Citra. This is a New England IPA. And this is out of Montana. Another cool little can art. I believe most of these beers that you're seeing that I bought were between, I'd say, $6.99 and like $9.99 maybe. I don't like to spend a lot on beer, but sometimes I do. All right, and now one of my favorites, one of my was looking forward to in this series is the Miami Vice Slushy Sour. It's from 903. 903 is a brewery out of Sherman, Texas. They are fantastic. I love their slushy sours. So this is probably going to be one of the first ones I try out of this batch that I got today. Then I got the Wolfsburg Helles. And this is from Reuben's Brewery out of Washington. And it's just a Helles style lager. I think the Untappd has it listed as a Pilsner, or Tavour does. But it's 4.8%, but lagers and Pilsners need drinking too, so. That's my double for Crane. John O will be getting that. This next beer is by Fort George Brewing Company. It's a collaboration with Fort George and our mutual friend brewing company. Fort George is out of Oregon, and our mutual friend is out of Colorado, Denver area, I believe. And it's another New England IPA. This one is called Cry's Knife. It's always interesting to see the can art on some of these craft brewing cans. All right, we got Levante. I know they're out of Pennsylvania. I've had a few of theirs when I've been in the Philadelphia area. This one's called Death by Tickle. And it's an IPA. What do you know? Do you guys see a theme here? And we have another slushy sour by 903. This one's called Jingle Jingle. This is a Berliner Weiss style with pineapple, cranberry, orange, lemon, strawberry, and cherry. And it's kind of like a Christmas themed can. Jingle Jingle on it. That one should be good. Another Helles for John O. This next one's from Sun Lab out of Miami, Florida. It's another sour. American sour with blackcurrant, rhubarb, cinnamon, vanilla, and graham cracker. Comes in at 5.7%. Like me some IPAs and sours. If you guys have followed my other videos, you know Matty likes his sours and his IPAs. But this one, I kind of mixed it up a little bit. This is a winter ale. And it is from, I don't know how to say it, Prime, P-F-R-I-E-M, Prime Family Brewers out of Oregon. And it comes in a bottle. And what's the percent on this one? 7.5%. So it's always fun. They usually have a mix and match, different styles on Tavour, but it's a lot of IPAs and sours, to be honest with you. But, you know, they do have stouts, porters, but usually your Russian Imperials are probably going to be around 25 for a bottle. So just to let you know. What else we got in here? This one is called Consume Life by, or no, this is from Regime. It's a hazy triple IPA. And I'm trying to find where I have this one. This is from Android Theory. Yeah, okay, so this is the Regime 916 from Android Theory out of Virginia. Like I said, some sweet can art. And this is also an IPA. Comes in at 10%. It's a triple IPA. I think there should be only a couple left in here. Oh, well, fuck, got a bunch. Let's keep on going. All right, this is my sour IPA. This one is Joy as an Act of Resistance out of North Carolina. Where's my North Carolina? Oh, this is Casita Brewing Company out of North Carolina. It's a sour IPA. Usually they're not as good to me, but we'll try it. What else do we got? All right. We got a barley wine. Politics, Money, and Religion. This is New Image Brewing Company out of Colorado, and it's 12%. Usually barley wines don't come in cans, but maybe they do. I don't know. I usually see them in bottles, but we'll try it. These other couple might be doubles. We don't know. The Sun Lab. Yep, that's another one for John O. Yeah, we got one from Stellar Wagon Beer Company out of Massachusetts called Unicorn Rides. Double IPA. Should be good. Two more. Another Cry's Knife for John O. And last but not least, we have from Brewery Vibant, Cran Apple Blueberry. And this is another sour. And this one comes in at 5%, but more good can art. So that's all the beer I got from Tavour this time. Like I said, it was 16 uniques. I got total 20, so there's 4 doubles. Um, yeah, a lot of IPAs, a lot of sours, but it's kind of fun. You know, it's beers I haven't tried besides 903 and Levante and maybe Kings County. I don't think I've tried anything from any of these breweries. So, oh, Android 3, I did get some of theirs last time on Tavour, so they were good. So that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Just was trying to switch it up and do something else. Put some more content, some different content, just to see what people enjoy. Let me know what you thought of it. Let me know if you are a fan of Tavour, if you have Tavour. Let me know if you tried any of these beers and what you thought of them. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.